What's up everyone? It's Dayan again and welcome back for another vlog here in our YouTube channel. Today, we are at Kawasaki Station. We're going to revisit the Book of Super Bazaar at Morse Building on the 3rd and 2nd floor. So yun ang vlog natin for today. Book of is actually a thrift shop. It's a second-hand shop where you can actually buy everything that you need. Watches, bags, clothing, luxury items, everything. So yun ang ating vlog for today. And this is actually my second to the last day here in Japan. At andito tayo sa Kawasaki Station. So we're going to find the exit. Ang Kawasaki Station is a very well known for transfer going to different parts of Tokyo though. Yan, medyo malaki yung station na to. Aside from Kawasaki, there's also another station which is Yokohama Station. So malaki din yun. I live in Yokohama. Kaya yun ang pinaka malapit na station sa akin. So it's a really huge station, especially for like tourists. The good thing about this vlog is that we're going to revisit Morse Building Book of Super Bazaar. And I'm here at Morse. So pag-exit nyo naman dito sa pinaka-station, Book of Super Bazaar. And then, if you want to navigate where you can find the Book of Super Bazaar, there's a Talis Coffee. They have free internet Wi-Fi. You can use it. Yun talaga yung ginagamit ko kapag halimbawa naliligaw ako. And then I wanna go to the place, specifically in Tokyo. So that's the coffee shop aside from Starbucks that I usually get it. Just to have an internet. Before, meron talagang internet ang 7-Eleven. Book of Super Bazaar. Yeah. So Morse Building is around here. Just straight and left. I have been here many times, so hindi na tayo maliligaw talaga. Ang pinaka landmark talaga dito sa Morse Building is the Starbucks. And then sa Starbucks, meron tayong building doon nakatabi. Yun na yung Morse Building, so that's where we heading. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung Kawasaki. Flex ko lang po sa inyo yung KQ Kawasaki Station. Ayan. Yan ang exit. Pag mag-exit na kayo dyan, lakad na lang kayo ng konti dito. Itong building, meron tayo ditong Toho Cinema, Pia GU, PS, FA, and then Uniqlo. Yan. And then yung Morse Building is dun sa kabila. So this is ito po yung Morse Building. Yan. So may nakalagay na dyan, Book of Super Bazaar. Yan. Morse Building. Guys, we're on our way to Bukov and we made it. We made it. It's so cool. Yeah. So this is Book of Kawasaki Station. And we're gonna head straight to watches. So may mga Grand Seiko dito na hindi ko talaga masyadong na-feature at that time. Pero bumalik tayo dito para gandahan natin ang ating vlog. First stop of course is Rolex. So may dalawa tayo dito nakikitang Rolex. So yung left side it's 1,045,000 at sa right side naman na Rolex it's 1,100,000. And then dito naman sa kabila, it's a 2-door watch with a price of 187,000 yen. Tapos dito naman sa kabila, it's a Cartier watch, 750,000 yen price tag. Gusto ko lang po sana mag-shoutout sa mga subscribers ko from United States of America, Canada, Australia, Japan, Manila, and Bangladesh. Meron din ako sa UAE and sa Dubai. Hi everyone, and welcome po kayo sa vlog. So as of now, I'm just vlogging. Pasensya na sa mga gusto magpasabay. It wasn't really my plan when I came to Japan, but you know, there's many so possibilities that I can actually do that in the future. Why not, right? Ito naman is a Breitling watch with a price tag of 520,000 yen. Grabe, ang ganda. This is 520,000 yen. Breitling watch. Sa kabilang side naman, itong Hublot watch with the price tag of 650,000 yen. Ayan. Ayan yung pinaka-watch talaga. May mga diamonds pa sa mga gilid ng dial niya. Mga diamonds talaga. So this is 650,000. And then, sa katabi niya, itong Hublot din, 700,000 yen. And then may mga diamonds din siya sa may dial. Ang ating conversion ng yen to peso will pop up sa vlog natin. So don't worry guys, you will get to know like the price here. Ito naman is Seiko Grand Watch. This is 420,000 yen. Ayan yung price niya. Tsura ng pinaka-watch. Ang kinis-kinis. Walang gasgas. 420,000 yen. Tapos dito sa katabi niya naman is ayan. Grand Seiko din. Ay, hindi. Sorry. Tapos sa katabi niya is itong dalawang watch. De Grisogono watch. De Grisogono watch. Ayan. Diba? Ganda niya, no? Ganda ng mga watch dito. Omega naman tayo, mga kapatid. So, ang nakikita natin dito is Omega watch with a price of 250,000. Omega Speedmaster. Ang katabi niya is another Omega watch. It's 150,000 yen. Constellation naman yung name ng watch. In a pristine condition. 150,000 yen. And then yung katabi pa rin niya is another Omega watch. 170,000 yen. Seamaster Omega. Ang ganda ng dial niya. Sobrang kinis. And then, ito din, 220,000 yen. It's Omega Seamaster. Sa longiness na tayo. Ito is 50,000 yen. Tapos yung katabi, 37,000 yen. And then, 120,000 yen. Then, itong katabi niya, 110,000 yen. Tapos, 40,000 yen. 50,000 yen. 260, tsaka 360,000 yen. Grabe naman ito. 360,000 yen. Longiness watch. Ito naman yung medyo affordable. 9,000 tsaka 45,000 yen. Ang katabi naman niya is Invicta. Ito, 26,000 yen. Tapos yung katabi niya, 48,000 yen. Tsaka 20, tsaka 38. Ito, 32. Tsaka 35. Then yung baba naman, ito 32,000 yen. Tapos meron tayo dito 20,000 yen. Tapos 18,000 yen. 27,000 yen. Look at that, 35,000 yen. Gold Invicta watch. Grabe, no? Ito 14,000 yen. Invicta pa din. Yan. Sa mga viewers ko and yung subscribers, thank you so much for watching the vlog. So, we're back dito sa watch vlog. Dito sa Morse building sa Kawasaki Station. Yan, may direction naman kung paano papunta dito, nasa vlog ko. At ilalagay ko din ang location talaga nitong book off para you have time to come and visit. So, mag-estimate na kayo ng mga prices at sa mga watches na pangarap ninyo, ilalagay natin yan sa vlog mismo. Ito naman yung ITE. Yung Seiko nasa kabila. Pupunta din tayo doon, guys. Don't worry. Nasa Grand Seiko na tayo, everyone. Ngayon, i-check natin yung mga prices ng Grand Seiko watches dito para makita nyo sa vlog kung magkano ba yung mga estimated prices from yen to peso or pwede din sa yen to dollar. So, mag-start tayo dito sa isang Grand Seiko na nagkakahalaga ng 120,000 yen. Yan, i-focus ko po para makita nyo lalo yung detalye ng watch. So, I'm using my iPhone as of now. Pasensya na kayo sa quality kung hindi nyo magugustuhan. But this is 120,000 yen. Another Grand Seiko watch. Ito naman is 200,000 yen. Focus natin. So, 200,000 yen po itong Grand Seiko. And then yung katabi niya is, itong isa naman is 90,000 yen. Another Grand Seiko watch. Ito po is 90,000 yen. So, another Grand Seiko watch with a price of 80,000 yen. This is 80,000 yen Grand Seiko watch. So, another Seiko watch, Solar. This is 26,000 yen. So, Seiko Solar, 26,000 yen. Ito naman is another Seiko watch with a price of 50,000 yen. So, ito po, sa pinaka-focus natin, yung dial, kulay blue, very rare to. Minsan lang ako makakita ng ganyan talaga. This is 50,000 yen, everyone. Ito is Seiko Scuba, 45,000 yen. So, Seiko Scuba, 45,000 yen. Then, itong katabi niya is Seiko Spirit naman, 33,000 yen. Then, yung katabi is Seiko, 14,000 yen. Yan. Yung conversion ng yen to peso and yen to dollar, lalabas po dito sa ating vlog. So, makikita nyo kung magkano yung mga estimated prices nila from yen to peso. So, maraming foreigner, maraming tourists ang nagpupunta dito kasi nga marami kasing mga choices dito ng Seiko if you're looking for it. Meron din silang mga luxury items. May vlog ako noon. So as of now, I'm still working on it. Hindi pa sila talaga na-upload. I-edit ko pa siya. Yan, mga Seiko watch po ito. Mamaya pupunta tayo sa Citizen Watch para makita nyo din naman kung magkano yung mga prices ng Citizen Watch. Mga Seiko watches. 22, 33, 35, 45,000. Sa taas naman yung mga digital Seiko. So, 18,000 to 30,000. Meron din 42,000 yun. Seiko Prospects. 66,000 tong isa. And then yung katabi naman niya is 45,000. Then 42. Tapos yung mismong katabi ng watch is 42, 58,000 yan. Yan. Tapos 95,000 yan. And then 140,000 yan. Tsaka 58,000 yan. So ito sa personal, makikinis pa sila. Wala silang gas-gas. Sobrang kinis, sobrang linis. Yan. Yan yung pinaka close-up na look na pwede natin magawa. Guys, meron pa ditong mga Seiko ha. Ito 15,000 yen. Tapos 75. And 65,000 yen. Ito 36 tsaka 48,000 yen. 34, 20. 14,000 yen. And 1232, 4,000, 37,000 yen. To be honest, marami sila dito mga choices talaga ng Seiko. Though a little bit pricey, but you can actually really see the value of your money if you want to buy Seiko watch, Omega watch here at Book of Super Bazaar Kawasaki Station, Morse Building. Kasi yung quality ng mga watches dito, ang gaganda pa. Ito is 6,000 yen. Medyo marami lang gas-gas. Pero, guys, look at the quality of the watch. 6,000 lang yan. Tapos, itong isa, 27,000. Ito, 10,000 yan. Look at that. Diba? 10,000 yen. Another Seiko batch ng watches. Yan. So may 30,000, 15,000 yen, 4,000 yen, 3,000 yen. lady watches by Seiko Alba. ₱9,000. 3,500. Ito sa baba. 24, 28, 24. 26, 16, and 50,000 yen. Ito naman is mga Casio watches. 4,000 yen. 3,000 yen. Meron din dito sa pinakataas. This is 5,000 yen. 4,000 yen. 4,000 yen. Casio watches. 4,000 yen. Ito mukhang very pristine ang condition nitong Casio watch. 4,000 yen, guys. Dito din, 6,000 yen. Mukha siyang mga pang, ba tawag dito? Pang formal or pang corporate na mga watches. Yan. 6,000 yen. Dito sa baba, 6,000. 4,000 yen. Ito 4. And then mayroon tayo ditong 5,000 yen. Tig 5,000 yen. Another Casio watch, 2,000 yen. Ito okay pa to kahit 2,000 yen. So gamitin natin mga 600 pesos. 'Di ba? Carry pa din. Ito 5,000. So binibigyan ko lang kayo ng brief yung itsura ng watches. 4,000, 3,000. Guys, ito naman is Citizen watches for men. 13,000 and 30,000 yen. Yan ang mga Citizen watches dito sa Book of Super Bazaar, Kawasaki Moors building. Yan. May 80, ito 82,000 yen. Tapos 16, 42, 19, 20, 44, ayan, 44,000 yen. So ito 14,000 yen, 12. Sa mga gusto malaman ng mga prices ng Citizen watches, ayan po. Meron sila ditong 8,000 yen. Tsaka 38,000 yen. Diba? Ang gaganda pa. Very sporty, very classic. Yun ang mga watches dito sa Citizen watches. 14, 16, 22. And then we also have here 50,000 yen. Tsaka 4,000 yen. So sa baba naman, 10,000 yen, 33. Tsaka 9. Citizen watch, 9,000 yen. Itong isa 13 tsaka 9,000 yen. So as much as possible, fino-focus natin sila isa-isa para makita nyo yung quality ng watch. Actually, makikinis pa naman, tsaka mukha naman silang bago. Usually, mga higher prices, ayun, medyo maganda talaga yung quality, tsaka yung dial, tsaka konting gasgas lang. Ito 30,000 yen. 28,000, 24, and 40,000 yen. So, itong Citizen watch, 19, 28. Ito 24, ang ganda din niya. Kulay orange yung gilid ng dial. Tapos itong Citizen watch na 40,000 yen. Actually, malaki siya sa personal. Pang lalaki to. Yan. Ito yung itsura niya. Tapos yung mga sa may bracelet. Yan. 40. Tapos dito naman yung mga much affordable na mga Orient watches. So, dito Citizen watches, Orient watches. Yan. Mga pang girlalay. Ito maganda tong kulay blue, Orient. 8,000 yan. 22,000, 14, 52, 38, and 45,000 yan. Yung mga price ng Orient watch.